first video. Okay, prefacing the video again, title, rare JDM part is true. Basically, what I have here is I'm gonna be installing this Instant Pot into my car. Obviously, it's not an Instant Pot. Whew. Alrighty, this is the doubled-in housing. And I don't know if you can see it too well on the camera. Actually, maybe? Housing and the actual doubled-in case. I actually plan to get a doubled-in multimedia thing, so... But for today, I'm just gonna install it and... Oh no, this video is scuffed. Alright, ignore the mess in here again. Well, I know I removed these two bolts on both sides. And then, well, first of all, unplug this. Damn it, maybe this. Oh, shit. Okay, take this out. And then I'll have to remove this speaker that I pasted onto here. That's okay. So everything else, this is super easy. There's just 4 bolts holding 1, 2, and then 1 on each side, 3 and 4. It's probably one of the worst videos I've made, but you know what? It'll be a-okay. I need to upgrade lighting. I can't even see my own car. Wait, did I even put a bolt in here? I didn't put anything in. Okay, that's great. You unclip this piece right here. And there you go. Super easy and simple. Just take it out, unbolt those 4 if you have them all bolted in. And you don't need this anymore, so move on to this. Yeah. Gotta put together. Give me 1 second. Alrighty, well, you know what? Finished installing it. It just took 2 screws, 1 here and 1 here. And that's it. So all that's left is to plug the rear plug right here into this plug, and it should be good to go. Actually, I thought this was gonna be a very easy install. Turns out, it's not gonna be that easy. I think that's happened for every single, oh my god, it's so zoomed. I think it's happened for every single install so far. So I'm continuing this tomorrow night, because tonight I actually am a little busy. So video's not gonna come out tomorrow, most likely will be coming out Sunday. Video gonna be a day late. Actually, it's already a day, it's gonna come out today. Alright, we're back. It's been about 3 days because, well, I wanted to record the next day, but then my excuse was my lights were not good and you just couldn't see what I was doing. It was like way too dark in here. Okay, now it's brighter because, well, I have more lights. But like, it's just, things were too dark in here now. I have a solution. One being this light and the other one being the light behind me. I don't know why I keep buying so much crap, even though, whatever. I just want to make fun videos. So let's finish up this install. Ignore the mess in my car, because this car is barely moving now. I don't want to keep taking things in and out, even though it does look better if it's all in one piece for the video. That's why the door panels are not here. The door panels are over here. I'm getting distracted. Let's get on with the rest of the video. So after some digging, I realized that you need to take out the shift boot area. And basically, what you're gonna have to do is mount the bracket onto the shift boot area with these little mounting points and these screws. And if you look up here, I already took out the original infotainment because I'm not using this anymore. I'm actually gonna use this instead. I'm gonna plug it all in, make it all look all nice. And as a refresher course, when you buy when you look for these doubled ins, make sure it comes, this one is unnecessary, but make sure it comes with the original bracket as well as the cigarette lighter and such right here. All this entire assembly. Last thing would be the housing, which goes up at the end. Earlier I thought it was put it all together and then stick it in. That's incorrect. You have to take it all apart. You have to install this onto the shift boot piece first and then stick it all in. Future Steven right here. There are 2 bolts right here. Detach those before you put the mounting plate on here. It'll make your life easier. I'm stupid. Okay, going back to trying to mount this and then failing and then putting this on. These are screw mounting points. I don't know if I'm gonna need them because I don't see where they mount up. From what it looks like, they stick in about yay high into the actual thing. and there are no points. There's nothing to screw it to. So I'm just gonna base it off the fact that these don't screw into anything. I'm crazy, but we'll see. It's okay, I'll do this way. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, it should be a short video. I'm just gonna time-lapse through. I should have just time-lapsed through everything. This should have been a very short video. It's very simple. Again, a bunch of screws. You just unscrew it, bolt on the mounting plate, and then you kind of fit everything in place. I did crack my dash just a little bit, so I'm gonna fix that later. Then you're blind, but it's right here. Fix that later. Not a big deal. Gonna turn the car on for just a split second. And there you go. It is on, and it works. So, all installed. The old speaker is right here, because I still don't have speakers in the car, as you can see. But at the end of the day, it's all plugged in, all screwed on, and this is the JDM doubled in, and it just kind of pulls the interior together completely. Gives the cockpit vibe, you know? I know it's bright, I know it's not the cleanest interior right now, but again, I'm mainly focusing on the JDM doubled in installation. Hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was filmed correctly, because editing Steve is not going to be happy. He has to spend an extra 3 hours fixing stuff. Hopefully lighting is a lot better now. I'm going to be able to make more videos because my lighting was scuffed before, and it's going to be better. And I keep buying stuff. Let's just leave it at that. Hope you enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe if you like the video. Share with your friends. And see you next time. Bye!